Okay, so it's really important to note that our calculator, when we use inverse norm, only finds less than values. So if I think about this one, x is greater than a is 0.45. So greater than a is going to be on this side. 0.45 is bigger than half, or sorry, smaller than half. So I'll be somewhere around here with my a value. So I know that this part is 0.45. Well, I can only use inverse norm if I know this part, but thankfully I can calculate that part. That part is 1 minus 0.45. Oops. So now I can do inverse norm on my calculator. I know that this value is 10. My standard deviation again is 3. So let's do that. So I'm going to do, let me get a bit bigger. So distribution, inverse norm, it's number 3. Oh, that's funny. Why didn't it give me my input? Huh, that's funny. All right, my area now is 1 minus 0.45, and I can type that whole thing in. It will calculate it for me. That's okay. My mean is 10. I use standard deviation of 3 again. So let's calculate it. And we get 10.37. It's over here to the right of 10 like we thought. So A is about 10.37 to 3 significant figures. That would be 10.4. Probability that x is less than or equal to a is 0.15. That must be a small number over here. There's going to be my a, because 0.15, that's 15%. It must be to the left of my mean. My mean is 10. So I have shading to the left. I can do that straight away. So inverse norm, whoops, second. Now my probability is 0.15. I still have 10 and 3. I should get a number much smaller than 10. 6.89. So every time I'm asking myself, does my a value make sense? And I'm comparing it to the mean.